Yeah, we kind of need a rear wiper, it looks like. So let's see if I can pop this thing off. Yep, there we go. So I'll fix this first and then we'll get it back on. So here's the one I just took off. I happen to have a replacement with a new blade on it. I think this is one I rebuilt previously. And this here is a refill for the rubber that I'll put on this one. So I'm going to see if I can remember how to take this one apart and rebuild it. I think these just come off. Yep. Now I don't think this is going to come out because I think it's kind of squeezed in here. There we go. So I got that off. So now the rubber should slide right out and it falls all apart. So this is no good. And lengthwise, I want it to be the same length. So I'm going to cut it off right about there. Cut. All right. Try not to cut myself. So that's pretty close to the right size, right length. Now let's see if we can put this back together. Go away. I got that snap back on. And put this one on here. There. That's tight, and it's ready to go. Let's put it back on the car. See if we can get you a view in here. Oh, I actually can see the reflection. Anyway, the pin is right there. So I don't think it matters which way this goes, but the trick is to try and get it on that pin and just snap it in. Like that. All beautiful and ready to go. So I looked at the clips from this video. I thought, man, that wiper in that window looked filthy. So I went ahead and cleaned them up a little bit so it's got a little bit of a shine to it. I didn't do anything about washing the car. But anyway, just to recap, this thing just comes off. You can just put your arm and fingers in here and just snap it right off like that. And then once again, I'm gonna have to try and find the pin. It's kind of hard to find. But it's right there. So you got about like 1.5 inches sticking out here, and that's where it lines up. But you got to look up underneath there and you'll see the pin. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. See you later.